Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with leaking from here all the time. It was leaking steam and some water. So when I test the machine, I find out this vacuum release valve broken, so it keep leaking non-stop. So I just replaced it, and I noticed there is a lot of scale on both boilers. So that could happen again, and could get some piece of that stuff stuck in the vacuum release valve or any other valve anywhere, and it could cause an issue. So I clean and reseal the water level sensor probe, and I flush both boilers, descale them 2 times. So let's go ahead, test it, and make a espresso shot on it. So the machine soon needs to replace the probe head gasket, and it needs like deep cleaning there. I try to clean it as much as I can. I back flush it and I clean around that gasket, but the customer decided to do it himself. There you go. This is great espresso shot with thick crema and 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the steamer. It works okay, but it can be better. It needs deep cleaning, but it's okay, it works. Let's test the hot water spout. It works great. The machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.